Want to keep your OneDrive files extra safe? Today I'll walk you through how to set up two-factor authentication, also known as two-step verification, on your Microsoft account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your account that extra layer of security, so all your files, photos, and personal documents on OneDrive stay protected, even if someone gets hold of your password. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is enable two-factor authentication, sometimes called 2FA or two-step verification. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Microsoft Security dashboard. You can find this by searching Microsoft Security Dashboard on Google, or even easier, visit account.microsoft.com/security directly. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account details. This is usually the account you use for OneDrive, Outlook, or Xbox. If you have trouble remembering your password, take a moment to reset it. Security is worth the extra minute. After signing in, look for a section called Advanced Security Options. You'll often find this in the middle of the page or under a menu labeled something like Security. Go ahead and click on that. Think of this area as your account's control center for staying safe online. You can review your recent sign-ins, update your recovery info, and most importantly, set up two-step verification. Now scroll down until you see the two-step verification section. You might need to look a little. It's sometimes grouped with other security features. Once you spot it, click or tap on Turn On. This is the moment you start building that second door on your account. Imagine your password is the main lock on your house. Adding two-step verification is like installing a top-notch security camera. It makes breaking in much tougher for anyone up to no good. You'll now be guided through a series of prompts. This is where you get to choose your backup method. Microsoft wants to make sure you always have a way to prove it's really you logging in, so you have a few options. You can use an authenticator app like Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or even Authy. These apps generate quick changing codes on your phone. It's the most secure choice, and it works even when you're offline. If that feels like too much new tech, don't worry. You can choose to get your codes via text message to your mobile phone or sent to a secondary email address. Just be sure whatever method you pick is something you check regularly and still have access to. For instance, if you don't have your old phone number anymore, update it before you continue. Follow each prompt, entering the necessary information. For an authenticator app, you'll usually scan a QR code or enter a setup key. If you're using your phone or email, Microsoft will send you a verification code to confirm it's really you. This part might take a few moments, but don't rush, accuracy is key. Double-check you entered the right phone number or email. Once you've verified your method, Microsoft will confirm that two-step verification is on and ready to go. And that's it. From now on, whenever you sign into OneDrive or any Microsoft service from a new device, you'll be asked for that second piece of proof, either a code from your app or a message sent to you. That extra step is a powerful shield, dramatically reducing the risk of someone sneaking into your account, even if your password gets leaked somewhere. If you have any questions about these steps or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more clear, practical guides like this one. Stay safe and see you in the next video.